Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're not, welcome back. So in today's video, I'll be using the Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve. It's a bonding treatment for weak and damaged hair. It says that you should apply generously on damp hair until it is fully saturated. Leave on for a minimum of 15 minutes. Longer if desired, up to an hour. Rinse thoroughly and follow up with your leave-in. Follow up with a cleanser, conditioner, and stylers. So this is not a conditioner, guys. It's a lightweight, intense treatment that makes hair look stronger and more resilient. So it's not a conditioner, guys. I know it looks like a conditioner, but it's not. It's very easy to apply, and I absolutely loved it. I can't wait to use it again. This was $29, I believe, or possibly $30. And you can get this from any of the hair stores. I got it from Ulta. I believe you can get it from other places, but I got mine from Ulta. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. See you guys in my next one.